Okay, we're in the pool. It's Father's Day 2007.
Happy Father's Day to me.
Happy Father's Day, honey.
Thank you, babe.
And this is our first time in the pool. What is this, June 17th? Jeez, I'm moving backwards and they're catching up with me. This is our first time in our pool this summer. Just been busy and it hasn't been warm enough, but it's 83 degrees and it's perfect. And
Pool water's 83 degrees.
yes.
I don't know what it is outside.
I don't either.
Probably about the same.
It could be. But Jack is enjoying it, which is nice.
What you doing?
He held his breath a little bit when we first got in because it was a little bit chilly. Say hi! Say hi!
Wave hi! Wave, Jack! Oh, you're gonna run into the ladder. Boom.
Jack is just about 16 months old, so we're having a good old time, huh? Glad he likes it. Okay, bye.